We went through everything inside that box from the casino's archive room. 7 Felix were right. Utatzis were moving Pantheon cash through the casino. The healthy cut in return. We got the breakthrough we needed. Records of wire transfers to a lab in southern Iraq. Directed to Matt V. Gusev. We'll notify Adler so you can take a look on the ground. Time is short. But if we can get our hands on the Pantheon's bioweapon expert, we just might break this whole thing open.
سلام چون شما واشد که یکی دیگه چه من نوکه ویدیو هم پارت ششم بلک اپس 6 البته بعد یک مدت تأخیر و بقول نوه گوما کم رنگ بیگ بدأت کردیم پارت جدید گو اگر شما میں ویدیو تازه گندگی و میں کانال کو تازه آشنا بگیم میں ویدیو لایک کنه کانال سبسکرایب کنه بعد हमारे पेज हम थे इंस्टाग्राम आते हैं कि वीडियो है जदीद की ईयर कने वो दा हमारा ट्रेलर ही वो दा वाला ईयर कने आई हम फॉलो दाश्ते बे कि वीडियो जदीद में ईयर को दिखे सही बे बने की ये पार्ट था मामदी के गेंदे
That airport's in a war zone. Even if we head your way soon, can we reach it?
अगर हम दो से रफीक आशना है कि बिग गेम और गेम प्ले और नज़ानशे वीडियो वाला ये हम मैं वीडियो शेयर करने वास्ते है कि हमारा और मैं कानल आशना भी कानल चैनल नाम पेज में मस्ते भी इधर पे बच्ची
You were impressive today.
Oh, mana to
legendary Felix
impress
Newman
hama
in action.
متعجب كنت قوتي اكشن اما فعاليات ان كتيا ميشنا قبليه وشكني اما كازينو ميشنا
I need to make a confession.
انجام داته شي تي ذهن تو كي
I'm the furthest thing from a priest, Felix, but speak your piece.
I am deeply ashamed of my actions.
منگوشین اتای قبل به اما
Non-violence things seriously.
شرمنده جور چی معنی ده که عمل کردی که داخل کازینو هسته
thugs beating a defenseless man mercilessly, a senseless act of power.
No one is innocent in that city.
Afterwards, when I encountered the guard outside the vault,
اوکی جوره انگر وقتی اما حرکتن که انجام میدادی که من شومان و بعد وقتی کنترل اما دست داده مثل یه مانی که نفر یه سری کارهای انجام میداد بچه های پشیمان بی انچه حالتی تو که انچه گپای کنگ
If I lose myself to this endeavor, I am no better than the very enemy we seek to stop.
ما اگر وقتی کنترل داده تو من بهتر انچه انمی یک لوٹی از بس یعنی ما اهمیتی گشته که من ساقط بکنه چه نسبت به عملیه انمی ها خب بریم ترجمه سخته وقتی پامگی رات تره خب برو अच्छा एक यार होगा कोई ते पता हुआ Gosti Warzone ama rogo waga na Warzone mantre jangi.
Yeah. 0900. Captain Sims.
Not now.
El captain naam gira na bhi.
Figured if I stuck around hell long enough I'd see the devil.
How's he look?
Not what I expected. I left Langley because of you. Remember that, don't you?
Central Command, huh?
It's above the table. Unambiguous. Maybe you should give it a try.
Oh, no, it's a little late for me. So can you get us to Gusev?
I can get you close. But Doc, this is it for me. I'm on a different path now. Once you get what you need, I'm out.
It's the second time I've heard that this week.
Lord, give me strength. Get your
या मैं
crew.
डॉक्टर रन देखो मैं दानिशमंद की मैं फलाई बियोलॉजी की ऐड करने का शाम को शिमा हमें के तर कुमार को आये रास्ते दिखे मान तमाम हो तरह आजा ग्राउंड कंट्रोल तो वही क्या
Eagle 2, breaking formation.
5 fixed out. That tank line should keep the Iraqis busy enough for you to slip in behind. Gusev won't see you coming. That's him. Top lab rat for an army of mercs.
Gusev's developing the Pantheon's bioweapon. He'll know what they're planning.
मैं डॉक्टर है
Wonder how he sleeps at night.
दानिशमंद है वो
You got some advice for him?
दीवाने हवाई रात भी भाई
When we find him.
This is a war zone, Adler. That's why I'm coming with. Make sure you don't mess it up.
Guess that makes us a fire team, right, Gage?
Cut the chatter and get...
Sido mantaya jangi mami kuguterat ke ayen goshi chum mana wati fire team wati postivani maguni
Hold up, Case. Adler's on the hunt, but we still got rules out here. I trust you'll follow.
Let's go!
अंदर बैदलरी एतमान नहीं
Coalition airstrikes are wrapping up. That's our cue. Entrance is on the other side of the parking lot. Let's move. Airstrike cleared the way. Contact.
ये हमें मिची का इतका दावों को तो हाँ बोर्डा है लानती
Got mortar fire.
Clear him out.
Mortar team's cleared. One mortar left.
या खुम्पारंदा से इसी तमाम बिल्कुल छोड़ना ना खुम्पारंदा उम्मीद ज़ाहिर नहीं
Reinforcements coming out the terminal!
They're in our way. Push through. Grenade incoming.
यो नारंजा कम तो मन चक्का कर लानती अरे यार इंचु नारंजा दौर मजे स्विच थी चक्का दे गई अच्छा बहुत करने के जाए
Let's get through that terminal.
Beren. Mana itu tupang shock teram. Vashti cheeze. No तीर इधर.
Goose's plane is on the other side of this terminal. We still have a lot of ground to cover. Right, let's hurry. أنا بحاجة لذخيرة.
تفقد ذلك المكان.
Go right. Taking left.
Mana tu vashti जाने के लिए.
We got incoming. Far side to the back. I see him.
अच्छा चीज़ें दिए पुदियों बताते हैं. Bemer. Bemer.
Good thinking, Case.
Orta.
Clear. Let's open that gate. Got a hell of a body count going. Is that a problem?
Just hope this Gusev guy's worth it.
He is.
No, thank you. میره بگه پلیت خوبه خوبه.
We need to find Gusev before his
LMG
plane
نه
takes
LMG
off.
دیر داره رفته
Smoke, get back.
بره پشتا چی
Shotgun up front.
چیه نمیری من اینجا تیر جنه انتی ظاهر نه ها امر
Pantheon's falling back.
Push forward.
کجا رای
Shit. These Pantheon guys are for real. Now you know what I've been dealing with.
نه LMG لوٹی بھائی کچھ ہے ده وقتا Addan صرف نارك دور ده Where are you? Oh, पीर अच्छा RPG नीचे नारंगी के दौड़ देगा लानती RPG नए लगे ऐसा कुछ नहीं जन्नत तो टॉप कला RPG पैक्स में चक्का पूर पैदा हुआ अरे इसमें जाले का पीछे नहीं तमाम RPG वगैरह ना ओ करो बच्चे जाती फेल जाने के RPG ऐसे नई भी लाने थी युवा ले जाने के दोस्त ओ खुदा लाखरे Vamos. Bro. John, LMG. Okay, tupanga ni isko. वैसे tupanga बल मैंने यहाँ LMG लाज़म है
Goose's plane is on the right. Hasn't hit the runway yet.
इधर दौड़ ना दे
Then let's get to the gate.
हाँ यहाँ पे मैं इसी रहोगे
Almost at
Very,
Goose's
very.
plane. Still docked.
नज़दीक के इसी प्लेन वहाँ पे मैं नहीं ये चीज़
Got some injured here. Check your corners. They look unarmed.
Oh,
Stay. Case, look out. Closer.
चीज़ रखें तो हाँ
Ammo cache on the counter.
लानती दिग्गज ले ए देर एक मुखशा आवाज करें बोले वैसे तो पाएंगे या पड़ा नारंजा क्या खुदा बच्चा धीरा herif hangi bir hiç var. Oh. Evet. İçin ne meram? Dair be. Eyval. Mo. Eyval. Ya dair be. Oh खुदा. Şu damage. कुछ किसी के स्पीड तो आ रहा है जल्दी काम.
Let's get to the gate.
No, mana what you want.
Hurry.
Bro, apna doka. Alle. Bak kalam. अच्छे. Hey. लांटिया तुम छक्का हो छक्का पिए आ गई लांटी वो तीछियां छक्का कप गई लांटे बिचो Oshi chigo machine gun है वो अल्ले अबे मैं اخيش في الاخر مو شيء ولا يا سيني مانجرا بره ني مانا go machine gun borran ya kimin diyeyim abi
Copy, grab him and go. Coalition's almost on your ass.
oy şu doğurmadı
Jet bridge is clear. Case, take point. Sweep the cabin. RC, look out! Get it! Ambush!
haha dair bey ay no mart تندلين الأولى كابتة كده من أيتام بذا هذا أول أزنو خب بذا موتا إذا تجيز كنا شيء زيرا مدري بهترين जो कि मालूम है नजदीक के फाइट किया ले तभी जा इच्छिए ओके शिट
Sweep the cabin. Look out! Engage! Ambush! Did you get it?
अच्छे तो पाएंगे अरे मेरे यार वाओ वॉश ने बनी भी आई
All clear. No sign of Gusev yet. Must be in the cockpit. Case, you're up.
ओए इधर होने हो
It's not Gusev's plane. We took the bait. Marshal, we need eyes on Gusev.
खलक क्यों
Searching the area now.
खलक के जाता हूँ
Tanks are almost here.
Found them outside Terminal 3. They're taking them to a military cargo plane.
Terminal 3. That's clear across the airport, Doc.
So we shortcutted across the tarmac.
What the hell are you talking about, man? Those tanks?
अच्छा optimize.
How about now? Tarmac and we lose Goosum. We're sitting ducks if we stay. I hate it when he's right.
Optimize इधर जाता हूँ.
Goosum's cargo plane is on the other side of the
अल्ले
tarmac. You're gonna get
तू
pounded
दुश्मन
out
है
there.
वो अब.
No way we'll make it in time. I'll think of something. Come on.
ये अदले ने चिरकुर मान जाते का. अच्छा भाई जल्दी ब्रो मत बरसते हैं ना.
This way. Let's go. Keep moving.
अच्छा ब्रो.
You got coalition helos inbound from the east.
Oh, Robo.
ब्रो
Hold on, Iraqi T-72 is incoming. The tank through the railing. Got that right, get in. Of course it is. Okay, let's go. It's the only way.
कुछ नहीं. ए स्टोव का सवार में. ब्रो बच्चा. ब्रो. हैं?
Fuck me! I'm gonna get pulverized with my own tank line.
John. Sounds boom.
Stop those RPGs, okay?
As I got eyes on a T-72 hauling ass across
Food,
the tarmac
Rick,
like a
food.
madman.
Yeah, that'd be us.
Oh, okay. Maintain heading to intercept Goose's cargo plane.
Hostiles are jumping outside the terminal wall.
Push through, Kate. Just like old times, Sim.
Yeah, everything's exploding.
क्या चीज़ है तो वो इसका तुम थांग के मारे सावी गुजरना तो जाएगा.
Goose's plane is taxiing to the runway. Goose's plane just hit the runway.
Go, go, go.
आई तांग इनकी वो था वहाँ पे मैं. क्या?
Taking off.
Fire, Kate.
सीधा अच्छा. ये क्या है वहाँ पे भाई.
Target hit. Plane is ground.
ये क्या आखिर वहाँ पे मैं.
Go, come on.
तो जर रहे.
You're a hard man to find, Goosum. It's high time we had a chat.
Please! The Pantheon forced me to help them! They threatened my family!
You buying that, Sims? Nah, kids probably came with the what? It's a good thing we brought a lie detector. Case, make him talk.
Yeah. Jump.
Jane Harrow brought me a biological agent, the Cradle, from an American lab. The Pantheon wanted me to make it infectious, more violent. The victims tear each other apart, like animals.
Who else is working with Harrow? Daniel Livingston?
Never heard of him. I don't know. Why would they tell me?
You're lying.
No, I swear it. They don't share anything unless they need to.
Case,
I told you I don't know. I don't. Please, you must believe me.
pull the plug, Case.
No, no, stop! I don't know the target, but I can tell you where the weapon is.
Keep talking.
Vorkuta, former Russian prison camp. It became a bioweapon lab years ago, before it was shut down. But it still has what they need to scale up production of the Cradle.
That'll work. You can dispose of them now.
What? No!
Told us what he knows. Getting soft in your old age, huh, Sims? You've got your ways and I've got mine. Goosum's in my custody now. Marshal, you catch all that?
Affirmative. Mother loads in Vorkuta. I'll let the others know we're headed there
If the
ASAP.
Cradle leaves that camp, the Pantheon can release it any time, anywhere. Millions could be at risk. It's up to us.
लेकिन ये पार्ट हमें तो काफी है ना रोज तो वीडियो मास्टर के नहीं
Pantheon will have that base well
अब तो
defended.
वीडियो बाद फैलान
We'll approach at low altitude, land a few miles out. The next phase is all you said.
So, hike to the base perimeter for infiltration. After that, find the Pantheon uniform to blend in. No problem.
Right up your alley. Once inside, scout out the base. We need to know what defenses they have and whether there's anything you can do to weaken them.
A saboteur. I think I might enjoy this.
Once their defenses are down, the rest of us can move in. Then we'll need to find and secure the cradle. You ready for this?
Let me at them.